Now student, let's start with today's topic, desktop and its components. The first screen that appears with labeled icons on it is called desktop. Okay? This screen is your desktop. Now this desktop contains various components such as icons. Can you see this small pictures? All this is your icons. The small labeled pictures or symbols present on the desktop are called icons. Icons we use, they allow you to open programs with a double click. All these icons allow you to open a program with double click. Now let me explain you what is this icons with an example. When you go to kitchen and open a cupboard, like this is your kitchen and you are opening a cupboard. This is your kitchen and you are opening the cupboard. When you find various labeled boxes containing different items. You have different box and over there it's written like tomato sauce and your jam, your butter, you have your fruit juice, all those things, names are written, correct? This is only here, the cupboard represent windows, जो cupboard आपका था, that is your windows, and the label box represent icons. All these boxes with the label, with the name is your icons. Clear? Let me show you once more the desktop icon. If you go to desktop, you can see, now this is your cupboard, this is outside, this box is your cupboard. And all this is small icons is your labeled box in which you have your food items. Correct? Getting my point? Now it's clear? Now let's see what else we have. On the desktop, we have taskbar. Now what is taskbar? See this, the below line? Can you see this below line? This is only your taskbar. The long horizontal bar at the bottom of the screen is called taskbar. This line, this is straight red line, I have highlighted with red. This is your taskbar. It holds start button, quick launch toolbar and notification area. Let's go in detail about all of them. Now start button, can you see start button? I know you already know about start button, we have learned in class 1 and 2 also. Start button, it is placed at the bottom left corner. This is your left side, left corner. We click on this button to open the start menu. Correct? Remember, for opening touch paint, for opening MS Paint, Word, all these things we use this start button only. Remember? Now what else? Start button on the extreme left side. You can see this logo. This is only your start button on the taskbar. Okay? Let's see what else we have. On the desktop, over the taskbar, first one is your start button, then quick launch toolbar. This is your quick launch toolbar. What is that quick launch toolbar? With the name only quick, you can understand it is for fast work. It is an area in the taskbar that holds shortcut icons of the frequently used program. Okay? It is an area in the taskbar that holds shortcut icons of the frequently used program, where you can add commonly used programs such as Internet Explorer, Word program, Windows Media Player, etc. They can be opened with a single click. Okay, like suppose just now you can see I have some icons over here. Can you see all these icons on my desktop? So if I want to open, all this will get open in one shot. See how it's getting opening. Okay? With one click we can open all this. Clear? When a program is active, its button is highlighted in a lighter shade. See, now this one is I am using, so this symbol is quite light. Can you see this? This one? Okay, rest is in their original color, but this one is quite light. Now what next? See, I have highlighted in red color. The middle section of the bar shows button with the label for each open application and allow us to quickly switch between them. If I want to open suddenly PowerPoint, I can go over there. Then if I want to use internet, I can go over here. So it allows us to move from one program to another program very easily. Okay, we can activate the application window by clicking on the taskbar button. Clear? The right side of the taskbar is known as notification area, which includes a clock and a group of icons that provides status and notification. See this area? This area is known as notification area. Okay, and this is on the right side of the taskbar. It includes clock, a group of icons and that provide status and notification about the program running on a computer. For example, software update, network connectivity, battery, volume, all these things you can see on this notification area side. Okay. Now, the Show Desktop button is present on the extreme right of the taskbar. See, I have highlighted. Can you see over here? This red color button. This is only your Show Desktop button. Okay. This button is present on the extreme right side of the taskbar. Click this button to minimize all the open program windows and view the desktop. See, if I will click right now over here, everything got closed. Can you see? Then, if I want, I am opening. Shall I show you once again? Clear? So, Show Desktop button is used to close all the open application, to minimize all the open application. Okay, and then you can see, view the desktop. Okay. Now let's go in detail about the start button. Okay. The start button. To open the start menu, bring the mouse pointer on the start button and click on it. See, I need to take this my pointer over start button. I am taking on the start button and clicking. See what happened. I got my start menu. Clear? Getting my point? Now this start menu gives you quick access to the document, window application, window help and support menu and much more. See all these things. Window media, Microsoft window and help and support. Can you see this help and support? Okay, default program, device, all these things you can get it when you click on start menu. See, over screen I have copy pasted. When you click on start button, you will get all this. The start menu gives you quick access to the document, window application, window help and support menu and much more things. See all these things. Getting? Now, start menu can also be opened by pressing the Windows key on the keyboard. This button is your Windows key. Clear? Getting? Can you see this highlighted one? This is your Windows key. Okay? Now let's learn about basic operation on the desktop. some few basic things which we will do on the desktop. First one, selecting and deselecting icons. To select an icon, see if you have different icons, how we can select it. To select an icon on the desktop, we simply click once on the icon. Remember, in class 1 and 2, you have learned that if you click once on mouse, you can select any item. For selecting any item, we need to click once. Remember? So same way, if you click once, shall I show you how to click? Now see, if I am clicking, I am selecting it. Can you see? I am selecting one by one. Clear? Now to deselect the icon, take the pointer away from the selected icon and click. Suppose as of now you have selected this icon. You have selected this one. Okay. Now you want to deselect it. Deselect means you don't want to select it now anymore. So what you will do, you will take this pointer, you will take your mouse pointer anywhere else on this system, on the screen desktop, and click. Your icon will be deselected. Okay. Getting my point? Once I will show you how it is. Like suppose as of now I am selecting this. Can you see? Now I don't want to select this. So what I will do, I will take my pointer and click over here. See, it got deselected. Clear? When you select an icon, it will be highlighted. Whereas when you deselect it, the icon will be displayed in its original form. Clear? When you select, it will be highlighted. When you deselect, it will be in original form. Now what else? Selecting adjacent item. Adjacent item means, now you can see, you want to select all the icons from line up to down. All the icons. Okay? Means in a set of items you want to select. In a line, in a group. So first, left click on the first item to be selected. Like here, we have selected the first item. Okay? Then what you need to do? You need to hold down the shift key. Shift key you all remember, in your keyboard shift key is there. So you need to hold down the shift key, means keep pressing your shift key and click on the last item to be selected. Suppose I have clicked first over here, then I have to press my shift key and then I need to click over here, the last icon. All the adjacent items are selected. Can you see this? Getting? Now what else? Selecting non-adjacent item. Hold the control key. Remember control key on our keyboard? You need to first press that control key and don't leave that. You need to hold it. Hold the control key. Then click on each of the items to be selected one by one. Suppose I need to select only this. 3 items, or suppose here 4th. Okay. So if I want to select all of them, I need to click one by one whichever I want to select by pressing control key. Okay. This way you can select the non-adjacent item. Clear? Some other tasks in Windows we will learn in our next slide.